to the toilet. It's not even a time to video. What are you doing? I can't even run after you to make you stop. Dad! I'm not even trying to shoot you. Dad! Can you stop filming me now? I need to go to the toilet.
Any last words?
Yes, piss off.
Any last words? Any last words?
Come, walk me home, man. I don't find you video me in the piss funny.
Look at you. Chloe, why are you killing?
Video, you know.
After I post it on YouTube, yeah?
No, don't. Chris, it's not even funny. Oh my God, you know open the door, please.
You look like you need to do shit.
Then you can come give me a hug, say bye. Stop videoing me now, because I need to go toilet.
Wait.
Now tell this girl.
It's still video and it won't stop. Shit.
Huh? Come say hi.
It won't stop.
Where's Mum?
Oh my God, drag me in the house, why don't you?
Just shout at her, please. Oh, is that